Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to remove Google account from Samsung Galaxy A05 Android mobile phone. So let's get started. So first of all, go to the setting, and then here is the option of accounts and backup. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, a new interface you can see on your screen, just like that. Here at the top of the screen you can see a option of manage account. Just tap on it. When you tap on it, you can see all your Gmail accounts which is logged in your Android mobile phone. Just select which one you want to remove. So okay, just tap on it. When you tap on it, a new option you can see on your screen, remove account. Just tap on remove account. When you tap on remove account, there is a pop-up window you can see on your screen, just like that. Here at the bottom of the screen, and just tap on remove account. When you remove account, there is also another pop-up window you can see on your screen. Just tap on OK button. So when you tap on OK button, you can see or you can see the Gmail account has been removed from your Android mobile phone. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.